I'm really proud to see such a young healthcare system dealing so professionally, so aggressively with a pandemic like this. I don't think we have many examples in the world where countries can compare with the approach UAE has taken. I will give you a simple example of the preparedness of this country. I was talking to some of the officers of Abu Dhabi 3 months ago, and they were buying chloroquine. When India, the base manufacturer, was not even thinking of chloroquine. So I got an inquiry from Abu Dhabi to talk to some Indian manufacturers to buy 2 million chloroquine tablets. And Indian manufacturers were not prepared that time. They said, but you have to give us 2 weeks time, then only we'll manufacture. This is an example of the foresight of the rulers of this country and the preparedness they were having, preempting the situation. Now, healthcare system is young in this country. I always talk of ecosystem, and then only efficiencies can come. Like, for example, in this country, we were practically arm twisted, blackmailed to a sort of for getting PPE at a good price. So I always feel that as ecosystem, we have to work together and have manufacturing, have to have pharmaceutical, all these industries working together with healthcare providers to bring in cost efficiencies. Because in healthcare, you have two major costs. One is manpower cost, other is material cost. Manpower cost, you have very, very little margin. In these circumstances, when the morale of the manpower, which is fighting day in and day out, is challenged, how can you cut costs there? That is a very, very big challenge. Material cost, we are basically importing most of the things from outside. So that is the area we have to look at. And then comes the third area, management. And management efficiencies, of course, Renita has explained beautifully, and Dr. Ibtisam has mentioned it. We have to go for AI, we have to go for robotics, and these are the telemedicine, which is going to happen. Now, if we had robust telemedicine system, the private healthcare system would have not suffered that much, because 60 to 70% of the revenue of the private healthcare was coming from outpatient visits, which totally stopped during the last 3 months. I have seen myself, Dr. Azad has got a bigger network. There is a drop of more than 70% in outpatient, which contributes 70% of the revenue of the hospital. So that is the area which has to be focused a lot. If remote and telemedicine would structure well, I think we can do much better.